Welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives. Today you join me for a brand new car collection. We'll come and show you that in a second, but here I am at Stratton Motor Company. You may have seen the last video of me selling the Evora, which you can watch up there. But yeah, today, very excited. I'll explain a little bit more about the car and why I've done it in a second. But yeah, let's go and check out, see what it is that I've gone and bought myself. So yeah, here we go. Alright then. Let's go. Cool. Okay, yeah. Woo! Oh, that's so good. Isn't it good? Do you like it? Woo! Thank you. That's amazing. That's awesome. Yeah, thank you. Cheers. Amazing, isn't it? Isn't it awesome? You happy? Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's awesome. With your number plate as well.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I think like the matte.
The matte look on the alloys is nice.
I think it looks better in real.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is cool. It is cool. Yeah.
I took the liberty to fill the tank up for you as well.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. If I'd have known, I'd have given you that with a full tank of fuel.
That's right, don't worry. I didn't expect anything less.
Sorry.
I've got 3 miles left, we better make it.
If there's only 3 miles an hour.
It's not that bad. Well, I knew you were outside the petrol station. No, I'm only joking. It's fine. Oh. So, first drive. Driving it out the showroom. Will not crash.
It's boring, it's not just raining. Wow, that is proper rain, it's coming in!
I'm actually thinking. Oh my god!
Yeah.
I know. Well, that's why I was like, because it all started coming in,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh my god, let's shut this. Let's shut.
We're going to get a mop.
So we just tried to drive the car out of the showroom, and it started to piss it down. Quite literally. Look, it's wet. The new car is wet, but it looks so good, doesn't it?
Look at my trousers, sounds so good as well.
What happened to your trousers? Are they soaking?
I shut the door.
Never a dull moment in Charlie Drives history. So now it's thundering outside. So really, it's kind of it's not ideal for driving a brand new car home, is it?
Well,
Really?
it is.
Hey,
It is.
is it?
Yeah, it's England.
Got a car event tomorrow as well. I'm gonna have to wash it straight away. But anyway, good fun. Love it. Love it. The wife has her uses.
You're one very
I'm in so much trouble. How many car collections do you do when it does this?
0.
Does this happen often?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's all part of the
All part of the
it's all
experience.
part of the experience, isn't it?
I've added
Drives
this
and Lotus
for dramatic
Oh my god. Lotus Notes, watch this space. You've seen the Lotus Diaries? Now you can watch the Lotus Notes.
Okay, so it's recording now so that you can pretend you've swept something.
Shut up. Look, there's loads of water here.
Right, we're going to see if I can find a...
Yeah, big wall of
They make you do this when you buy a brand new Lotus.
What do you think driving it?
Oh, it's amazing. So we've got the cars together now. And it's raining, so not ideal. But yeah. Okay, hold on. Old. New. Old. New. Woo! Sorry for the lack of continuity. I am now just going to give you a very early or an initial drive of my new Evora GT410. I mean, the sound is still good. Keeping the revs below 4,000 RPM, it's still got a run-in of 1,500 miles. So, you know, got to treat it with a little bit of respect. But generally, I'm totally thrilled about this car. The reason why I didn't continue filming yesterday when we picked it up was because it got quite dark. As you know, it rained. It wasn't the nicest of days to drive home, but I needed to take the car home because we had a car event today to go to. So, you know, it was a great experience driving it for the first time. It's notably quicker than the Evora 400. It's lighter. It's only got 10 more horsepower, but it makes a big difference. Inside the cabin, whilst it's still the same shape, everything's still the same shape. We've got a way better head unit here with Apple CarPlay, all Alcantara on the inside. Loving the stitching, loving just generally everything about this car. I am absolutely loving. I think it's bloody awesome. You haven't just done. Oh yes, thank you, mate. Making sure the GoPro's not falling off the back. Shit. But yeah, no, absolutely love this car. It's bloody awesome. Super thrilled. And let me know in the comments what you want to know about this car. Hopefully we can do some nice documenting of the whole experience, the ownership experience, and everything that goes with it. So the one thing I'd like to finally say, just to wrap up, if you're in the market for a new or used Lotus, go to Stratton's. Mark will look after you. I'll include a link to their website in the description. But I'd also like to say that the whole experience was fantastic. I really enjoyed. They made it really special. It's not something that happens on a regular occasion, so it'll be something I'll remember for the rest of my life. So yeah, such a good experience. And from the moment that, you know, they came and looked after me with James's car, I have to thank Lotus for this as well. Lotus agreed to do that door handle under warranty, if you remember, so, even though it was outside of warranty. So just the whole experience was really good. They look after their clients. It filled me with a lot of encouragement that buying a new car would, you know, it would be relatively hassle-free. So yes, fingers crossed, watch this space. But yeah, thanks again, Stratton Motor Company, for making this one to remember. Really hope that you enjoy the videos. Please get subscribed if you do. Give the videos a thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next video. Take care, cheers, bye.